Hello there, back to our Tuesdays. Right now we have a marginal risk of severe over there tonight, tomorrow, and as well throughout on Friday. So right now, looking at currently, there's nothing really much going on. We're seeing more perceived as a heavy rainfall threat, as we're seeing still some record amounts of moisture. Looking at recent radio sun data, we're looking at from Washington D.C. precipitable water values are over 2 inches, and if we're going to point that sounding climatology, really, we are looking at basically some record amounts, to say the least, with the max for today probably just under 2 inches as well. So records amount of moisture right now for the day, really. And so some flash flooding is definitely gonna be something to be watch out for, anyways. And again, throughout, we have a moderate risk of excessive rainfall stretching from Virginia all the way to Pennsylvania through tonight. Tomorrow is a slight risk that extends all the way from Maryland and also Delaware all the way north to upstate New York. And then day 3, marginal risk across portions of New England. So anyways, that's really all I have to say for severe. Actually, not it. We also have a marginal risk of severe weather tonight. Mostly, again, it's going to be more for tornadoes, and isolated, maybe some isolated damaging winds as well. Tomorrow, we'll be seeing another marginal risk. Isolated damaging winds and tornadoes are possible. Now, day 3, probably also the same story. So, anyways, moving on to the tropics now. We're looking at the North Atlantic right now, and we have remnant Peter, tropical depression Rose, tropical depression 18. The remnants of Peter has dissipated. Rose is expected to be remnant low, probably dissipate very soon. And tropical depression 18L is expected to be something really to watch. It's expected to strengthen to a tropical storm probably by tomorrow afternoon. And again, it's going to be intensifying rather quickly. By the time it reaches probably Saturday morning, it's going to be upgraded to a hurricane. It's forecasted to, anyways, and by Monday, it's already going to be a major hurricane. So that's going to be something to watch out for. And another area of interest associated with that has a 40% chance of developing in the next 40 hours, 60% the next 5 days. Look at the Eastern Pacific right now. The area of interest has been a thing for a while now. Now is down to 20% chance of developing in the next 40 hours. Looking at Central Pacific, nothing is expected. Looking at the Western Pacific right now, we're looking at pretty active right now. We have tropical depression 20W and 21W. 20W is going to be something really to watch as well. Considerable amount of uncertainty. However, the tropical storm conditions are expected across portions of Guam. Tropical storm warnings have been issued, and it's going to continue to pretty quickly intensify, as expected to become a pretty strong typhoon by the time it reaches 27th, around peaking at around 125 knots, category 4 strength. And looking at tropical depression 21W, it's expected to be making landfall somewhere in Vietnam very soon. So again, that's not going to be really good at all. And again, tropical storm conditions are possible. However, the torrential rainfall seems to be the main threat with it. But apart from that, that's really it. And goodbye.